All right, MFA gang, Coach Christina back for another fun cardio dance workout. We're gonna start slow and steady. I just want you to go feet, you plie together. It's step and step, you bend together. Now the arms, hand, down, head. Show me your nails, around, put it together for me. Open, open, swoop, head, open, open, swoop to your head. Now hips go right, really big, up and around. You should feel this in your obliques, up and around. And slow. One more time, nice and slow. Good. And to the left. We put it all together, double time. Show me your nails. Hey. Down. Now to the right, go around. And left. Again, hands together. And hands together. And right. Hey, left. Two more. Flick. Down. Flick. Down. And right. Hey. And left. Last one here. It's flick. Round. Flick. And round. You go right. Good. Meet me in a second position. You're here for two. Then you lunge for two. It's front for two. Lunge for two. Same thing. Go front. And side. And front. Good, just one in each position. It's front and side. You can get a little groovy with this. Side, front, side, front, side. Two more here. Good. You slow it down. Big body roll to the front. It's up, drop, you pull and pull. Again, up, sit, twist, twist. Up, sit, twist. Twist, last one slow. You already know, we gotta speed it up together. Here we go. Up, down, up, and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. There you go. So good. Come on, try that knee. Up, twist, two. Last one. Big reach to the top. Breathe. Here for an 8. Swooping low. Down. Beautiful. This should feel good. Reach. Just like that again. Slow.
Day by day.
Good. Find that breath. High.
If I can live through this.
And down.
What comes
one more time,
next
up and down. Then we take it all together from the top.
will be
Show me those nails. Flick those hands.
marvelous.
Out. Hey. And out to the right. Hey. To the left. Again, go flick. And flick. To the right. Yeah, you know it now. Have some fun. Add some flavor. Boom, boom. Throw that booty back. Go around and round. Play with those arms. One more time. Flick and in. Flick. Bring it in. And round. Second position. Pulse it out in the center. 2. And lunge for 2. Center for 2. You lunge for 2. Again, slow. 2 and side. 2. Center. 2 and side. Single. Single and side. Single and side. Beautiful. Good. For 8. 6. You got 4. 3. Body roll. 2 and 1. It's slow. Up. Sit. Pull and pull. Up. Sit, pull, and pull. Double time. Up, down, and pull. Up, down, and pull. Up, and pull. Last one, and stretch. Reach. Good. And low. Beautiful, everybody. It's reach. Come on, express yourselves. Big reach. Take up space. Gorgeous. Up. 2, 3, 4, take it low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 here. Up.
What
2,
comes next
3, 4. You go low. 5, 6,
will be
7, 8.
marvelous.
Take a bow. Amazing work, MFA team.